For the vlog. Alright, here we go.
Other way, other way.
Gave my name to all of them. Gave my name.
Are we riding with them?
Yeah.
Don't fly right out once you hit the water.
What up, Tom?
What up, gang gang?
What's up? It's your
Yo,
boy.
Ultra Squad. Ultra
He's
Squad.
not definitely not going to. He's not. This kid's not.
Tom better go to Ultra next year.
Next year, yeah.
Are you actually down?
Yeah.
It's $1,000.
Oh shit. Okay, maybe not. I don't know.
Dude, just
I don't know.
you can save
The
that.
tickets are like 400, but like the
No,
entire
it's definitely
trip.
it's already 600.
Yes, the entire trip.
Ticket,
It's already
entire
600
trip,
by now.
Airbnb, like food, well, like everything is like $1,000.
Dude, it'll change your life. I was like,
I
man,
could. Like 5 days in Miami, dude. Like the second
It's
biggest
so
music
worth it.
festival in the world. It's insane.
It's no, it is the world. It is the world's largest
Yes.
now.
No.
no,
Tomorrowland's
Tomorrowland's
still
the biggest. Dude, this is sick. Have you seen this before?
Yeah, no, I've been like all up and down, but this is like, I don't know, there's better spots here, I'll show you. There's like this, but better.
I've never seen this before.
Dude, this is the best part of the team. You can't tell anyone about this stuff.
All right.
Except for like your top people. But do it!
It flows. Good shit, good shit.
dude, fuck yeah.
Hey!
What a fucking
Yo, he should be a fight. He should be a fight.
He should be a fight.
He should be a fight.
I will initiate this man one day.